Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and the Geo network shows signal, because voicemail setup needs carrier access. Once done, open menu, go to settings, then call settings. This navigates you into call-related options quickly. Make sure you have the voicemail number from your carrier, or note the default Geo voicemail. Knowing the number prevents guesswork. You're taking control now. This initial path gets you straight to where the voicemail number is entered. Now tap voicemail number inside call settings. This is where you input the actual destination. If your phone has dual SIM, make sure you select the Geo SIM slot so the correct line uses voicemail, otherwise messages may route wrong. Delete or overwrite any existing entry and carefully type the carrier's voicemail number. Accuracy matters because a single-digit error stops delivery. After typing, press Save or OK. This writes the number into system settings and links calls to voicemail. Complete setup by making a test call from another phone and let it ring until it diverts to voicemail. This confirms the number works. Alternatively, call the saved voicemail number directly to hear prompts. This verifies access and PIN prompts. If you don't reach voicemail, reopen the entry, verify each digit, save changes, and restart the Geo phone. Reboot often clears routing glitches. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm the correct voicemail number and network provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.